Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Ram 2500 headlights are probably one of the most important safety features on your truck, and choosing the right ones can dramatically improve your nighttime visibility and overall driving experience. In this video, we will explore the key factors to consider when selecting replacement headlights for your 2012 Ram 2500, helping you make an informed decision based on brightness, durability, style, and ease of installation, ensuring you get the best possible illumination and a safer ride. Number 5. DWVO Dodge Ram Headlight Assembly. It fits 2009 to 2012 Dodge Ram 1500, and 2010 to 2012 Dodge Ram 2500-3500 models. Remember, it's for dual beam, not projector or quad beam headlights. Bulbs are not included, you'll need to transfer your existing ones. These headlights offer improved illumination. The metallized reflectors increase the light distance, making night driving safer and more comfortable. Completely sealed with silicone, they're built to withstand rain, snow, and dust. No more worries about moisture damage. Durable polycarbonate lenses and a high-impact housing protect them from road debris and impacts. They're tough enough for off-road adventures. They're a direct replacement for your old headlights. While it's a relatively straightforward swap, professional installation is always recommended. The set includes both the driver and passenger side. What we like. This headlight assembly is fully sealed to protect against harsh weather. Its durable construction withstands impacts from road debris. If you need a reliable, easy-to-install replacement, this is it. What people say. The housings fit my 2011 Ram as good as the OEM housings. I must say, the new fresh clean look of the lenses on these housing makes my Ram look fresh. These are a really nice upgrade to any old truck. My old headlights were burned and faded badly after sitting in the Arizona sun for 17 years. These new headlights aren't Mopar OE, but I don't care, they look and feel like they are. Installation took all of 5 minutes, I've never replaced headlights so easily. This item was a perfect fit for my Dodge Ram and was very easy to install. It changed the entire look of my truck. Number 4. DWVO LED Headlight Assembly. It fits 2009 to 2018 Dodge Ram 1500, 2010 to 2018 Dodge Ram 2500-3500, and 2019 to 2022 Ram 1500 Classic. Please ensure your vehicle has factory quad-style halogen headlights, they won't fit projector LED headlights. These headlights feature sleek, bright LED daytime running lamps for increased visibility. The projector lens gives you a stronger, more focused light beam. The fully sealed design with solid silicone keeps moisture out, ensuring reliable performance in rain, snow, or dust storms. Durable polycarbonate lenses and a high-impact housing protect them from road debris and impacts, perfect for off-road use. They're a direct replacement for your old headlights. Professional installation is recommended, the package includes both driver and passenger side units. This package contains a pair of headlights, one for the driver's side and one for the passenger's side. Bulbs are not included, you will need to transfer your existing bulbs. What we like. Upgrade your Ram's look with sleek LED daytime running lights and a brighter, more focused beam from the projector lens. It also provides great protection against harsh weather. If you want to improve visibility and style, this is the perfect choice. What people say. The housings fit my 2011 Ram as good as the OEM housings. I must say, the new fresh clean look of the lenses on these housing makes my Ram look fresh. These are a really nice upgrade to any old truck. My old headlights were burned and faded badly after sitting in the Arizona sun for 17 years. These new headlights aren't Mopar OE, but I don't care, they look and feel like they are. Installation took all of 5 minutes, I've never replaced headlights so easily. This item was a perfect fit for my Dodge Ram and was very easy to install. It changed the entire look of my truck. Number 3. Autosaver 88 Dodge Ram Headlight Assembly. Upgrade your Dodge Ram's look and visibility with this superior headlight assembly. It's designed for a perfect fit and enhanced performance. This assembly is compatible with various Dodge Ram models from 2009 to 2022. Please check the details to ensure compatibility with your specific vehicle. They are fully sealed to prevent moisture damage, ensuring long-lasting performance in any weather condition. Experience brighter, smoother lighting with its metallic parabolic reflectors. The beam angle is also adjustable for optimal visibility. The integrated safety reflectors increase your visibility to other drivers, improving nighttime safety for you and others. Built with durable polycarbonate lens and tough housing, they can withstand impacts and vibrations from tough roads. Professional installation is recommended. What we like. These headlights offer brighter illumination and enhanced safety with a side reflector for increased visibility. They are also fully waterproof for reliable performance in any weather. If you prioritize safety and brighter lights, this is the one for you. What people say. They look great and easy to install. Gave my truck an updated look. It's literally a OEM clone with black housing, best bang for buck. They use the same bulbs and everything so they're bright, and Dodge is pretty easy to install or swap stuff. Standard install, no issues. Looks good, fits well. Number 2. Auto Dynasty Dodge Ram Headlights. These headlights are designed to be a direct replacement for your old or damaged ones. They offer improved visibility and a sleek new look for your Dodge Ram. They fit various Dodge Ram models from 2009 to 2018. However, please note that they are not compatible with models that originally came with projector LED headlights. These will significantly improve your nighttime driving visibility. They're designed to provide a brighter, clearer view of the road, even in harsh weather conditions. Built from high-quality ABS plastic and polycarbonate, they are impact and water resistant. This ensures a long lifespan, no matter the conditions. Installation is a breeze. They're designed for a plug-and-play fit. Simply bolt them on, no modifications needed. You will need to reuse your existing bulbs. These headlights use halogen bulbs, not included. They come in a black housing with clear lenses. The package includes both driver and passenger side headlights. What we like. Enjoy a quick and easy installation process with these headlights. Their robust build ensures long-lasting durability. If you value ease of installation and a solid product, this is a great option. What people say. Looks well made and great looking lights on Ram. Big difference. They work great, are bright and easy to install, plug and go. They were easy to adjust and fit perfect. Easy install and fit just right. Quality and performance overall smooth and mean looking. Number 1. AmeriLite Dodge Ram Headlights. Upgrade your Dodge Ram's look and visibility with these new headlights. They're a perfect blend of style and safety, designed to enhance your driving experience. These headlights are compatible with various Dodge Ram models from 2009 to 2018. Check compatibility to ensure they fit your truck perfectly. They're manufactured in Taiwan using high-quality materials, ensuring durability and long-lasting performance. You can trust in their reliability. These headlights feature a unique switchback LED turn signal. This provides increased visibility and a modern look. These headlights meet or exceed all safety regulations in the US and Canada. Drive with confidence, knowing you're meeting all safety standards. They're designed for easy installation. It's a direct OEM replacement, requiring no modifications. Get a professional look without the hassle. What we like. These projector headlights feature a stylish switchback LED function for added visibility and a modern look. They're also easy to install. If you want a stylish and easy to install upgrade, consider these. What people say. The beam pattern from these projectors is absolutely astonishing. No blinding oncoming, drivers etc. Easy plug and play. The daytime running LEDs are a nice touch. And allow the truck to stand out a little more. The headlights were packed quite well. Took about an hour to install. I do wish the actual headlight was also LED because there is little difference in high and low beams. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.